What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request today, the Eggbot, or the Egg Death Robot from the Sonic the Hedgehog 2 movie. This was requested by Manuel on Patreon. If you have a request that I wouldn't normally do, that you'd like to see me do, just head over to Patreon and sign up. If you can afford it. So, he wanted this particular one from a scene from the Hedgehog. I think this is what he was talking about, without the plane in front. So it's kind of close up on this Eggbot's face, right? So we start with his nose. So he's got this. I'm on a landscape page, sorry. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with his nose. So it just like curves across here in the middle. Down. Comes around to a point down here. Like so. And then it has like a bit of an edge, like a little circle on top. There. His eyebrows come out from this, right? So he's got these big robot-like eyebrows. So mechanical. So we go out like so. Same on the other side. Like that, like two wings. And then this will spike back in. Bring that back in. And then he's an extra hook sticking off. So it goes up, down, and then another one, up, down. And then we have this kind of arrow pointing up in the middle and down. So the line comes down here, line comes down there. We break up the eyebrow even more. So say the eye first. So we'll go around the bottom, just this kind of half circle. And then the same thing sort of here. All right, and then just coming up and then in. And then down to there, and then up to there. Same thing on this side, up, in, down to there, line up there. You're just kind of breaking it up, making it look like it's metal. And then inside there we got the big green eyes. So multiple layers to this now. So we got like this dark black section around the edge. Shade this in. And then a couple more circles inside. So we go sort of around here and there. So these are like glowing green eyes. That goes up underneath the eyebrow on that side. This one sort of similar. Maybe like some more mechanical kind of lines in here. Okay, so then we have the big mustache that comes out the side, right? So that way, and then it goes up, up, and then we bring it in, out, in, out, up, and then again in, out, in, out, and then it goes up, and then down across the eye. And then we'll just break this up, right? We'll just give it some edge. Just try and make it look like it's sort of 3D a little bit. Like so, right? And then he's got big green teeth, right? So there's a big smile coming across here, but then big lines for teeth. Like so. And then, so like the shape for his head. What can we see? Right, so see the bottom red bit. So it just like comes around here. Like that, and then steps kind of in, up a couple of times, and it starts to go around. So right, and he's called the Eggbot because the top of his head is like an egg, so it goes around. Now, I mightn't fit this all in, but or will I? No, I think I will. Just about. Let me go off the top of my page a little bit. Right, like that. And then we have another metal plate section just coming across here, goes around to there, then another one. Like that. And then this is like broken up into different mechanical sort of lines and things. Line kind of going up the center. Going down that way. Two sort of dots or squares or something here. Then, you know, you can break this up into as many little lines and put nuts and bolts and stuff onto them anywhere you want. You know, that kind of thing. And then he's got a grey section, so it comes across underneath his chin again to there. And this is like broken up into lines again. And so something else coming down like here. There on his head. Boo, boo, boo. What else? Okay, so it's got like a chest armor plate, right? So let's see. So where's like the center? So it kind of just comes across here. Like that, and then it goes down there, and then comes up towards the shoulder, and then back down and in, right? And there's like a center chest piece here, but I'll get this first. So we go up, down, up towards the shoulder again, and then it just goes out and down here, and then there's like broken up pieces of chest armor here. This goes across there. Step down, step down. And then something comes across. And then it seems to go down the middle, I'm not sure. And this could have different sort of armor plates going down this way, and like some edges to them. Right, so we'll just try and break this up now as best we can into different sort of boxes and lumps and bumps and all that kind of stuff. Some circles and can't see the armor down here, but I imagine it's just like broken up. And then he has, so like, this is like dark all inside here pretty much. So there's like a dark shadow inside his shoulder and inside there, and then the shoulder comes up. That, and then go big round off my page, right? And then the inside of the shoulder here, down, out, and around. This is all like black shadow inside here. You can't really see it. Maybe the edge just there. This goes down, and then there's curved lines on his shoulder this way, and curved lines up here. So like the shoulder sticks out this way, and this one goes down this way. Real big. So that's like all black inside here, big shadows, and all these mechanical sort of lines on the shoulder. So it's just like dark shadow inside here. You can't see. I just put dots where we're going to color it black. Okay, and there might be like some little lights maybe you'd leave. Lots of robotics and stuff, green lights and things inside here, but we'll just color that all black. But that's it. That's how to draw the Death Egg robot, and all in here is like shadow. Okay, all around his arm, coming up into here. Like this is all black, you know. But you'll see that when I color it. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for the request, Emmanuel. Anyone else have any requests they'd like to see me do that I don't normally do? Head on over to Patreon, if you can afford it, of course. And I'll draw it as quick as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.